One of my favorite features of Fundy Designer is the comparison mode. Once we've gone through the initial culling of our photos with our client, where they've selected what they love the most, many times there are pictures that are pretty much identical and we might notice the difference and they may not. And so we go into comparison mode and we will put up several other pictures together and help them see the differences in those pictures. And it's a really powerful tool. So I like to zoom in and show them maybe their facial expression, because they may not have noticed the first time through that maybe there are just slight differences in the way they're expressing themselves, or the way their hair is moving, or things like that. And so it's really important for us to go in there and kind of dive down into those things and help them realize that maybe they don't love all three of these photos, for instance, exactly as they might have thought they did.
Right, and I know some of our clients have also mentioned that they just love this tool. They love being able to see and visualize the two photos side by side to really see which one they prefer.
And you know, there's one other little fun trick with this is when you go into the software and you're using comparison mode, the client and you at the same time might realize that it's a wonderful way of creating a collection of wall art. So we'll often take that right out comparison mode, open those three photos into the wall art panel, and we will create a set of wall art based on some of the photos we just happened to be comparing earlier.